Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show a short video on this absolutely stunning Ducati Panigale V4S Corse. Here we have a Ducati Panigale V4S Corse. This is a 2020 bike on a 70 plate with just 2,616 miles and a full service history. This bike is a category N. Basically it was accident damage. The insurance company decided it wasn't economical to repair it, but the owner of the machine took it to a Ducati dealer and it's all been repaired officially by a Ducati dealer using genuine Ducati parts, so it is in excellent condition now, albeit it does have that category N moniker. The price does reflect that though. It is excellent value for money and it is in excellent condition, as you can see as we go around, with no marks to the levers, the bar ends or the mirrors there. You've got that beautiful matte red and sort of matte grey or off-white paint scheme, which is the Ducati MotoGP colour scheme of course, or at least it was of this model year. And it is in excellent condition, absolutely superb. Of course, based on the Panigale V4S, so you get the electronic Öhlins suspension, Brembo brakes, all your traction control, anti-wheelie, everything you get on the Panigale V4S, including the Marchesini forged wheels, which are absolutely stunning and unmarked, as you can see. The rear tyre, loads of life left in that one as well. Single seat, of course. Again, the seat unit is undamaged. There's carbon fibre covers on the petrol tank there as well. And as you can see, all the bodywork here, absolutely superb. Standard exhaust, but of course it still sounds absolutely fantastic. We will fire it up and we can have a listen. I do love firing up these V4 Ducatis. They have a sound like nothing on earth. That Öhlins front fork stanchion there, absolutely superb. I should say we have got all the receipts for the repairs that were carried out to this bike, and it does go fairly extensively, so there's a good history with it. So obviously if you're looking for your pride and joy and you want something that's not on the HPI register as having been damaged, then this probably isn't the bike for you. However, if you are looking for a track day bike, or you want to do a bit of racing, or you just want a great value superbike, then this is definitely one to look at. As I said, again, all the bodywork there in absolutely superb condition. That fork leg there, again, superb. There's no corrosion on the bike at all. There's actually nothing to apologise for physically on this bike at all. Of course, up and down quick shifter, so quick shifter and auto blipper. Chain sprockets all in excellent condition as well, as you can see there. There's that rear Öhlins suspension, again, electronic. You got a TFT Dash, of course, on this one as well as all your power modes. And of course, that beautiful Corse paintwork. Tank pad there, top of the tank, that's all in good condition as well, and there's your TFT full colour dash. So if you are in the market for a great value for money Ducati V4S, there's something you don't get to say very often, then look no further than this absolute beauty. As I said, this bike sounds absolutely amazing. Let's fire it up and have a listen. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with the current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this beautiful Ducati, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via their website. I'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.